and at 7 a.m. the actual poll started. The polling agents were present in all polling stations. During the mock poll, there was no EVM found fault, so there was no replacement of EVMs during the mock poll. The total number of electors is 22,482, which is 10,697 male and 11,785. This is the total electors, of which the total number of votes cast is 16,924. Male female count. Male female voted. The total votes cast is 16,924, which is 75.25%. Male female total voters. No, this is electors. This is it's coming down.
Male, female.
Here it is 16,924.
Here, this is the total.
Okay, anyway,
Male, female, total vote.
this last column.
This is male, female and male.
This is male.
Female.
The total voters 8,119 male, 8,799 female, which is 75.25% of the total electors. The highest turnout was in booth number 16 with 89.86% votes cast, and the lowest was in booth number 15, which is 63.96%. At 6 p.m. there was no queue in any of the polling stations, so at 6 p.m. the poll was closed in all the 30 polling stations. As for the replacement of machines, in one polling station, that is polling station number 5, the entire set of BU, CU and VVPAT was replaced at about 1:45 p.m. In another two polling stations, at polling station number 6 and 9, only the VVPAT was replaced. In polling station number 6 at about 5:20 p.m. and in polling station number 9 at 11 a.m. the VVPAT was replaced, one because there was a paper fall error and other because there was a VSDU error. The total number of PWD voters who were tagged was 115, of which 101 PWD voters have come out and cast their vote, which is 87.82% of the total PWD voters. So we had, as I explained yesterday, we had done specific trainings to the PWD voters and tried to motivate them to come and vote. We feel that those efforts have been successful, because out of 115 PWD voters, 101 voters have come out and voted. Largely there was no incidents. There were minor complaints of crowd gathering within the 200 meters of the polling station. Immediately after we got these complaints, the security forces were alerted and we ensured that there was no such gathering around the polling stations. So largely it was a peaceful by-election with 75.25% voting.
Can you tell the previous percentage?
See, the last general elections, 2017 assembly elections, for Panji Assembly constituency, it was 78.38%, and that was including the postal ballots. And excluding postal ballots, it was 77.05%. In the by-election of 2017, it was 69.98%, and the present by-election, it is 75.25%.